I accept my light codes in the form of humor. We came here to have fun, guys, right? This human life is supposed to be fun, in addition to master's level grueling, hard AF sometimes. I've been certainly wrung through the ringer the last few weeks. Ego deaths, feeling like I'm in the tumult, being like rolled like stones through my own accelerated healing, my own elevation, my own expansion, as I've been calling forward my next level and really rooting in to my mission. My posts lately on socials have been more funny than not, and I am certainly available to laugh through the pummeling as I'm being shredded to a pulp, evolving into my newly birthed forms. I just want to pop that in here. So what's present today? What is present today is who are you deciding to be? What are you deciding you get to be? This is identity stuff. This is commanding your matrix stuff. I'm wrapping up the upgrade course, the money upgrade course, companion, but not synchronized companion with the Light Codes of Money book. It is a 4-week, 5-module experience of psychic surgery, implant removal, program dissolution, belief transformation, fear redirection, reconciliation, clearing, calling in the etheric support. We were guided to download a money council, a council of guides that is already earmarked for us at this pivotal moment as we are stepping into claiming greater receiving, stepping into rooting into bigness and more fullness of our mission, as we're truly asking to be evolved in the direction of having, holding, receiving, and running more money through our systems. I've been posting a few nuggets from the upgrade course. I hope you enjoy them on Instagram and on YouTube. And I invite you to step in more deeply. I invite you to drop in with me for a one-on-one session. And I price those at $555 because they are typically 4-part sessions that can happen over 4 days, that can happen in drawn out form as you drop a nugget to me. I digest it, check in, connect with your guides, with your higher self, and I feed back codes and psychic surgery, celestial surgery to you. This is wholly guided and necessary right now, as again, we are stepping into taking up more of the helm of who we are really here to be. With love.